Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can turn off your TikTok account's business account verification and take your account back as a normal personal account, which is fairly simple. And if you have ever taken your account and turned it into a business account with this method I will show you, you can easily make it a personal account back. First of all, for this I have to scroll a little and find my TikTok. My TikTok is right here. Of course, for the sake of this video, let's just close our media sound so TikTok voice doesn't actually make you any worse. So we will click on TikTok and TikTok will open eventually. Finally, it is open. It will have random people. And yes, right now for this video, my account is a TikTok account, which of course I do not actually care about it that much. As you can see, I have every single one of my notifications, inboxes, but I don't care about those. For this, we will go into profile and go through the 3 sentences here. We will see creator tools, business suite, balance, my QR code, and settings and privacy. We will go into settings. After going through the settings, we will go into account. And here we will see our account information, password, deactivate or delete, download data, and of course, switch to personal account. That's the part we want. How do we got here? Settings, account, switch to personal account, switch anyway. As you can see, we have switched back to a personal account. Of course, if you don't have a business account and if your account is a personal account, your screen will be like this. But if you go into a business account and you think your account is stuck on business, this section I showed you will make it a personal account back again. So I hope this video helped you guys and I hope you enjoyed it. And if it helped you, you can always tell us down in the comment section so we know it actually helped you. In any case, we hope to see you in the next videos. Have a great day and goodbye.